Hey, what's up, guys? I got a haul to share with y'all. There was a recent sale. I think it was like a flash sale. Was it Sunday, I believe? And they had like body care on sale, some other stuff too, but I got only a few things. So this is probably going to be like a short video. So let's get into it. Let me rip this open. See if I can do it with one hand. It's more satisfying when I can do it with one rip, but I'm just using one hand, y'all, so bear with me. Okay. Sorry for the loud noises. So sorry. I should have just put my phone down. Any hoot. Got this stuff in there. Okay, so I got 2 fragrance mists and some pocket bags. The first fragrance mist I'm going to share with you guys is this right here, the Gingham, this is not focusing, the Gingham Fresh, y'all. Let me move this out the way. I feel like it's blocking my lighting. Okay, so this is the Gingham Fresh, nice bottle. Let's see, the fragrance notes: juicy pear, sparkling clementine, and fresh daisies. The thing that caught my attention with this mist was the pear. I really enjoy like the fragrances that they have with pear in it for some reason. So I was like, maybe I'll like this one. So let's take a whiffy whiff of this right here. The matte nozzle. It's something about the matte nozzles that it just looks more luxurious to me. So spray it in here. Why am I using my left hand? Anyways. Ooh, okay. Not exactly what I expected, but it is good. It's a sweet floral. I feel like it's heavier on the floral than like the fruity fruits that are in here. There's clementine, yeah? Yeah, there's clementine and juicy pear. But it's a sweet floral. Honestly, I'm not sure yet if this is something that like I would buy. Let me spray it in the air. Let me see something. It's very pretty. Okay, spring, perfect for springtime. I'm mainly smelling like the floral part of this, the floral notes. But it's not like, so far it's not overwhelming, but it's a more a stronger floral than what I would like typically buy in a like if I'm choosing a fragrance. I like more of like a sweet, like fruity floral. This smells more floral than anything to me, but it is good. It is good. Perfect for springtime. The next one I'm going to show you guys is this. I believe this is a new one. This is called Golden Cherry. This gingham was like $5.95 when it was on sale. This was 10 something when I bought it. Is this a smaller? Yeah, it's a smaller bottle, but I wanted to check it out. I've never gotten like one of their fragrances that look like this with like the, you know, this style. Oh, okay, let's look at the, can I put it back on? Okay, let's look at the notes here. Do they have the notes on here? Okay. Fragrance with notes of warm woods and tart cherry for a cozy, dreamy scent. I like their cherry scents too, so I was like, let me try this. Spray it in the nozzle. This is interesting. I started shaking this bottle instead of the actual. Anywho. This smells like, definitely smelling cherry and like a woody note. I feel like this would be like a candle. Like a candle scent. I just sprayed some on my arm to see how it smells. That's pretty nice. I like it. I feel like this would be really nice like in the summertime. It smells really good. The more I smell it, the more like into it I'm getting. Yeah, I actually really like this. Like the woody tones and like the cherry. That's a good mix actually. It doesn't smell like any other like cherry scent that Bath and Body Works has, honestly. A warm, woody cherry. I like this. I really do. If only it was a bigger size, though. I mean, I don't actually go through all of my fragrances. I don't know if anybody else does, but I don't go through all of my fragrances like till the end of until the bottle is empty. So here are the pocket backs. The first one I'm gonna share with you guys is this Starfruit Sangria. Do they have notes on here? I'm not sure. I don't think they do, but we're gonna take a sniffy sniff. Smells clean, fruity. Ooh, I like this. Smells like I can drink it. It smells really good. Very fruity. Oh, this is a moisturizer one. I just noticed that. Does it look any different than like... I'm just trying to see what the product actually looks like. I'm gonna put some on my hand. Hopefully I don't make a mess here. Oh, it's like a creamy consistency. That's what it looks like. Interesting. Smells so good, y'all. Definitely has like that tropical fruity scent to it. The next one I'm going to share with you guys is this here pineapple prosecco. There was like a bubble at the top as soon as I opened it. Pineapple. All I smell is pineapple. Very good. When I close the top, it just like splattered. It's what you expect like a pineapple scented like hand sanitizer would smell like. Juicy, very juicy. Okay, next here I have this pink kiwi berry. I didn't even like really show y'all the packagings of all of these, but oh my gosh, hold up. This right here, you guys, smells like candy. That's so good. It smells like a creamy candy for some reason. Like, I'm gonna put some on my hand right here. I kind of mixed it in with the oh, alcohol. That smells so good. I need this in like all like fragrance mist, body cream, all that good stuff. I need all of it. Oil. But this smells so good, y'all. Like this smells like a candy, like a chewy candy. I would say not a hard candy, but like a chewy candy. So good. Fruity. Alright, and the last one I have here is this Blueberry Bellini, which is also a moisturizing hand sanitizer. Let's see if this is gonna smell like some blueberries. Oh crap, y'all. Okay, let's see. Hold on, I couldn't really smell it that well. Let me rub it in. Okay, definitely blueberry I'm smelling. That's really good too. That's really nice. I'm not sure if I'm kind of mixing it with like the kiwi, the pink kiwi, but definitely smells like blueberry. Sweet type of like blueberry scent. I also need this in like body care, all of the above body care options. Okay, so these are all the products that I got during that little flash sale. I'm happy with my purchase. Yeah, I like trying new things. Like this is something new for me, like because I'm not really like a floral type of girl. I do like floral, but it has to be like fruity floral, like a sweet floral. I do like this, but it's leaning more towards floral than like super sweet floral, if that makes sense to y'all. But this right here, y'all, Bath and Body Works, please turn this into a whole like body care line. Watch somebody gonna be like, they did already. Well, I haven't really been keeping up with Bath and Body Works that much. It's just like every so often I might get on the site, but not as much as I used to. But Yeah, so with that being said, you guys, this is the end of this video. Let me know if you guys want me to do a more in-depth like review on any of these. This is really good though, y'all. I probably will do a review on this one anyway. But yeah, you guys, if you like the video, like it. If you want to subscribe, go on ahead then. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video, y'all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.